viewers, you are watching Unikama News on Friday, 8th of July 2022 edition with me, Ahmad Maulana Yusuf. I will present you an important world news about helicopter strike on a Russian fuel deposit. And here is the complete news for you. In the battlefield, a strike occurred behind Russian lines, but there is confusion about who's responsible and what happened next. The moment of impact happened as three helicopters were seen firing at a Russian fuel deposit. Then a black orange light signaling a direct hit. 5 million gallons of fuel were set on fire that day, with the Russian confirming the fire will most likely spread an estimated amount of 8 kilometers. Over 100 deaths have been confirmed, with an additional 20 being heavily injured. Local firefighters are already putting an effort into stopping the fire in hopes of it not reaching into the wildlife. Russian authorities say those are Ukrainian helicopters, but Ukraine's Ministry of Defense will not take credit nor comment on the attack. So far, the Ukraine and its military has been deliberately vague regarding the helicopter strike. Ukrainian officials have stated that they could neither confirm nor deny the allegation. On the other hand, Russian officials have said that Ukrainian helicopter flew in and crossed border before approaching the city of Belgorod and started firing at a nearby fuel deposit. Russian citizens have also claimed that the attack was most likely done by the Ukrainian military in an attempt to cause a fuel shortage, but the minority of Russian citizens believe in a different story. They said there have been rumors of rebellion group deep within the city's core and that their purpose is to end war by sabotaging the transportation of Russians to Russian military. Two very different statements from the two sides of war, but the question still remains: who is behind the helicopter strike and for what purpose have they done it for? Okay viewers, that's all the news for you. I am Ahmad Maulana Yusuf. I'll be back an hour later for another news. Thank you, stay healthy, and have a great day.